A Jewelry Making Design Repair Guide. Chapter 1. The Jewelry Business. The jewelry sales, making, repair business. There are self-employed part-time jewelers around who learn the trade of appraising diamonds and other jewelry and then sell retail to people they know, usually engagement rings. The pitch is that you can offer jewelry cheaper because you don't have the overhead. You can get diamond catalogs for wholesalers and show them to prospective customers who choose what they want. You get it from the wholesaler already in a ring or set the ring yourself, then sell it to them with a guarantee that they should go to a local jeweler and get it appraised, and if the ring is not appraised at over $300 more than you charged, offer them a full refund for the ring back or a $100 cash return. There are several jobs in the jewelry trade like engraving, appraisal, setting, cutting, design and jewelry making. Jewelers.org covers jeweler schools and jobs. Jewelers of America. 1185 Ave. Of the Americas. 30th FL. 212-768-8777. Fax, 212-768-8087. Contact us at jewelers.org. JIC@jewelryinfo.org. Jewelers.org. Jewelryinfo.org. NancyLTHamilton.com, teaching website plus resources. There are a bunch of articles listed on the right side of the page. There are at least 100 tutorial articles/videos. NancyLTHamilton.com/resources/links. Facebook.com/NancyLTHamiltonJewelry. YouTube.com/user/NancyLTHamilton. Facebook.com/NancyLTHamiltonJewelry. Pinterest.com/NancyLTHamilton. Sarantos.com, an informative jewelry design website. Sarantos.com. Studio jewelry designer Susan Sarantos has an informative jewelry design website. The Jewelry Business Resources. Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges of Technology. 2101 Wilson Boulevard. Number 302. Arlington, Virginia 22201. 703-336-6850. Fax, 703-247-4533. info@accsct.org. accsct.org. Info about schools which offer jeweler courses. American Gem Society. 8881 West Sahara Avenue. Las Vegas, Nevada 89117-5865. 866-805-6500. AmericanGemSociety.org. American Jewelry Design Council. P.O. Box 1149, Hermitage, Pennsylvania 16148-0149. 724-979-4992. info@ajdc.org. ajdc.org. California Institute of Jewelry Training. 5800 Winding Way. Carmichael, California 95608. Jewelrytraining.com. Jewelry Career and School Information. MJSA. mjsa.org. Federal Trade Commission. Public Reference. Washington, D.C. 20580. 202-326-2222. ftc.gov. Free booklet, about fine jewelry. Gemological Institute of America. Gemological Trade Laboratory. 1180 Ave. Of the Americas. NYC 10036. 800-421-7250. 212-221-5858. 760-603-4000, Carlsbad. GIA.edu. Does independent appraisals, offers jeweler courses. Jewelers Circular Keystone. Chilton.com. Magazine. Jewelersboard.com. 213-627-4238. The Jewelry Design Professional Network. jdpn.org. International Colored Gemstones Association. ICA 3 East 48th St 5th floor. New York, New York 10017. 212-688-8452. Gemstone.org. JCK Magazine. 800-662-7776. jckgroup.com. Lapidary Journal. 60 Chestnut Avenue. Number 201. Devon, Pennsylvania 19333-1312. 800-676-4336. 610-964-6300. Fax 610-293-1069. Lapidaryjournal.com. Revere Academy of Jewelry Arts. 415-391-4179. RevereAcademy.com. Jeweler and Jewelry Repairer Job Websites. alpha-supply.com, Jewelry Making Supplies. chub.com/projEWL.html. diamondregistry.com. engraversjournal.com. gia.org. jewelrycraftsmag.com. lapidaryjournal.com. midwestgems.com. preciousgemstones.com. Jewelry Making Magazine websites. bedanbutton.com. beadingdaily.com. interweave.com/bead/beadwork_magazine. jewelryfocus.co.uk. jewelrymakingdaily.com. qpmagazine.com. rockandgem.com. stepbystepwire.com. americancraftmag.org, American Craft Magazine by craftcouncil.org, American Craft Council. bnb.jewelrymakingmagazines.com, bead and button magazine. bds.jewelrymakingmagazines.com, bead style magazine. beadingdaily.com. stampington.com/bellarmoirejewelry/index.html, bellarmoire. jewelrystampington.com, Stampington and Company, craft and art books and magazines. benchmagazine.com, Bench Magazine, Bench Jeweler. craftsreport.com, The Crafts Report. stampington.com/jewelry-affair, Jewelry Affair. jewelrymakingdaily.com/blogs/jewelryartistmagazine/default.aspx. thegmcgroup.com/pc/viewcategories.asp?id category = 712, Making. Jewelry Magazine. metalclayartistmag.com, Metal Clay Artists Magazine. snagmetalsmith.org, Society of North American Goldsmiths. Snag. silvermag.com, Modern Silver. ornamentmagazine.com, Ornament Magazine, the craft of personal adornment. interweavester.com/jewelry-magazines/jewelry-magazines-step-by-step-wire, Jewelry Magazine. Chapter 2. Jewelry Making and Design Websites. YouTube Jewelry Making Channels at videos.feedspot.com/jewelry_making_YouTube_channels. Nancy Hamilton. Soam Harrison. Beaducation. Rio Grande. Online Jewelry Academy. Melissa Muir. Leslie Villarreal. Jewelry Making Websites. 1. adornequip.co.uk/xhib.htm, Adorn-Equip, examines issues around the design of equipment and accessories used by disabled people. dazzle-exhibitons.com, Dazzle, UK Jewelry. portrait-miniature.blogspot.com, Portrait Miniature Collection. wearingglass.com, Wearing Glass, Jewelry and Body Adornment. artofmourning.com, Art of Mourning, Victorian and Mourning Jewelry. thingsgoneby.com, Things Gone By. ganoskin.com/borisat/nina m/career.htm, Jewelry Career Options. bloglander.com/jewelry making. nova-collectation.com, 5-day jewelry making course. allcrafts.net/jewelry.htm. beadage.net. crowleysjewelers.com. dragonfirebeads.com. flickr.com. littlebeater.com/make_it_yourself. jewelrymakingghq.com. jewelrymaking.alanfoabout.com. pmejoe.com, bead stringing projects. wigjig.com. Jewelry making websites too. anasazicreations.com, Anasazi Creations. italian-jewelry-online.com, Arlecchino Jewels. crystal-beads.co.uk, crystal beads and handmade jewelry. eclectic-elements.com, eclectic elements. forktip.com, forktip jewelers. samsilverhawk.com/gems.html, gemstones by Silverhawk. goldpalace.com, Gold Palace Jewelers Inc. goldpalacejewelry.com, Gold Palace Jewelry. goldwolf.com, Gold Wolf Jewelers in Flagstaff, Arizona. indiejewel.com, Indian Jewelry. supplyjewelry.com, Jewelry wholesale sterling silver, fashion jewelry. mlcreations.com, ML Creations handcrafted jewelry. pkjewelry4u.com, PK Jewelry for You, handmade beaded jewelry. theasparkleplenty.com, Sparkle Plenty. thoughtfulnessshop.com, The Thoughtfulness Shop jewelry and collectibles. Tickintime World of Watch Tools.co.uk, Tickintime World of Watch Tools. wrappedtogo.net, wire wrapped jewelry by Wrap2Go. jewelrymakingmagazines.com, Art Jewelry Magazine. mrenajewels.blogspot.in, East Indian Jewelry. benchjewelersnetwork.com, Bench Jewelers Network. createandthrive.com/start here, create and thrive, turning your hobby into a business. firemountaingems.com/resources/jewelry-making-instructions, Fire Mountain Gems, store, instructions. ganoksin.com, Ganoksin, jewelry making and metalworking. handmadeology.com, resource for all crafts. instructables.com/id/jewelry-making-1. jewelrymakingdaily.com. jewelrymakingjournal.com, The Jewelry Making Journal. jvclegal.org, JVC Jewelers Vigilance Committee. metalclayacademy.com, Metal Clay Academy. metalcyberspace.com, Metal Cyberspace. metal-smiths.org, metalsmiths.org online community. metalsmithsunite.blogspot.com, Metalsmiths Unite. guildofjewelerdesigners.co.uk/index.php. ganoksin.com/blog/patpruitt, Great Designs. snagmetalsmith.org, Snag Society of North American Goldsmiths. riograndblog.com, The Studio, videos, inspirations, instruction. agslab.com/index.php, AGSL, The American Gem Society. Laboratories. agta.org/gemstones/index.html, AGTA, The American Gem Trade Association. beyond4cs.com/free-gemology-courses-and-resources, links to free gemology courses and information. brianjohnson.ca, Gemstone information. diamonds.pro, Diamonds Pro. e-jewel.co.il/en/gemstoneshapes.aspx, gemstone cuts and shapes. gemologyonline.com, Gemology Online. gia.edu/gem-encyclopedia, GIA's Gem Encyclopedia. technical.hooverarmstrong.com/wordpress/hoover-azure-anniversary-bands, what an Azure is. Gemsociety.org, the International Gem Society. jewelry-secrets.com/diamond-guide/diamonds.html jewelry-secrets.com minerals.net/mineralsdirectory.aspx, gemstone directory on rocks, minerals, and gemstones. royalasker.com, Royal Asture, patented Royal Asture cut. whiteflash.com/about-diamonds/diamond-cut-grading-the-princess-cut-grading-the-14449.htm. A list of jewelry making websites at blog.feedspot.com/jewelry_making_blogs. beadaholique.com, beadinggem.com, beadsdirect.co.uk/blog, blog.beaducatien.com, blog.consumercrafts.com/category/jewelry-main, blog.goodybeads.com, burninggecko.co.uk/blog, cinnamonjewelry.blogspot.com, cooksandgold.com/blog, creativefire.com, cybersilverjewelrydesigns.co.uk/blog, distinctbydesign.blogspot.com, diyjewelrymaking.com, door44studios.com, fashionbeadsанdaccessories.wordpress.com, fionachapman.blogspot.com, genitallany.com/standard-blog, gotcharocks.com, hoopsbyhand.com, humblebeads.blogspot.com, jewelrymakingjournal.com, makeandfable.com/category/jewelry-diy, makermonologues.com, Mary Harding Jewelry Beadblog.blogspot.com, momsancrafters.com/tag/jewelry-making-crafts, nadiaeoyunis.com/nadia-yunus-jewelry-design, nelanlizzie.com/simply-stylish-love, pjsupply.com, readytea.com/r/jewelry-making, readytea.com/r/silvercasting, suzeekstudio.com/blog/news, tattydivine.com/blog/news. A list of jewelry design websites at blog.feedspot.com/jewelry-design-blogs, allor.com/blog, anisjewelry.com/blog/news, anifinejewelry.co.uk/blog, artjewelryforum.org, astleyclark.com/blog, bobblesbeads.com.